Okay, so here's a tutorial for the song Tropical Fish. And what's cool about this song is that each hand is in the same position throughout the entire song, just shifting up or down by steps. So if you take these first three notes, you have D, F, and A right there. That makes a triad, a D minor triad. In the left hand, we have F, A, and C. That makes an F major triad. Once your hands are in that position, every note in this phrase falls under that triad. So the right hand, D minor triad, left hand, F major triad. A good way to practice it is to play those two triads, just like that. And we're gonna go through the whole song in triads, like that. So, first phrase is in the triad with D minor and F major. It's also cool to point out that when you're in D minor triad in the right hand and F major in the left hand, your thumbs are right next to each other. So for this whole song, as you move through different triads, your thumbs are going to be next to each other each time. You might go up and you might go down, but every single time I'm playing 5-3-1 in that pattern. So if we take a look back here, we start with a D minor and F major. On this next line, we go to C major in the right hand and E minor in the left hand. So both hands just went up one step for this phrase. Next phrase, they go back to the original one. We're back on D and F, same as up there. So went D minor and F major to C and E. We just stepped up and stepped back down. And then when we go here, sorry, did I say that wrong? Let's do that again. D minor and F major. When we go to C and E minor, we're stepping down. So from this position, we step down, and then we step back up to the original position. And over here, we go up again. This is the only one that's a little bit different. Your hand's in the same position, but rather than only playing the triad, we have a little bit of a scale going on between the hands. And over the next line, we're back to that original position, D minor and F. So we went D minor and F, stepped down, stepped back up to the original position, stepped up again, and back to D minor. So that's first four phrases, bar 1 through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bars 1 through 10, you start in this position, F and D. They go down to E and C, back to D and F, and then they go up again, G in the left hand, E in the right hand, and back down again. So there you have the first 4 or 5 phrases, I guess, 10 bars, D, down, up again, and back to the original D and F. From there, we step up to G and B, then we step up again. This looks confusing because they look far apart. That looks like it steps down, but we're going to treble clef in the left hand. So really, this G on the bottom, the pinky, and this is an A in the left hand. That A is really just one step above that G. So we're back to the original chord, D and F. We step up again, and then we have short phrases here, 1 bar. We step up again, and finally that's as high as we go. And from here, we're on a C chord in left and A in the right. We just step down, 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 until we're to the next C. So from this C chord, with A in the right hand, you step every single chord back to the C chord. So check this out. Original position, F and D. Practice it like this with these chords. Step down, E and C, step back up again. And then from here we go back down again, and we're back home. From here, we continue up until we get the left hand to C, right here. And from this position, we're just going to go down all steps until we get to the next C in the left hand. A, G, F, E, D, and C. And that's the last position. The left hand stays, and the right hand is on A, it skips to the next A and the next A. Okay, so once you have your hand position, you just have to figure out the hand pattern. And they've been very nice and wrote in the finger numbers. So, and it's like a mirror image. Pinkies, thumbs, third fingers, thumbs, pinkies, thumbs, pinkies, left hand holds, right hand does a 1 and a 5. Same pattern here, same pattern here, different pattern here, but coming back to here, same pattern as the first pattern, next position, same pattern again. Next position, same pattern for one bar. It mimics the first bar, but not the second bar. It just mimics that first bar here and the first bar there. And finally here, you just play the chord. Step down chord, chord, and chord. Here, the pattern is only 5s and 1s. There's no more thirds. 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, mirror image, step down, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, step down, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, and step down for a final chord. Notice in this last chord here, the right hand has the triad, the left hand just has the 5th. And the left hand ties through, and the right hand 3 chords. So, you have your music, you can follow along, and I'll play it here and really slow, out of tempo, just describing what's going on. So we have that first triad position. We're gonna mirror image, pinky, thumb, third finger, thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky. And it's good to rotate like this, kind of like you're opening and closing a door handle, or jiggling a door handle. Back and forth. Pinky, thumb, third finger, thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky. Hold the left hand, thumb, pinky. Both hands shift down, pedals holding the sound. When we play, we'll change the pedal, and we're on this triad position now, but again, we're gonna play the pattern with the pinkies, thumb, third finger, thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky, thumb. Back to the original position, same pattern. Mirror image, third fingers, thumbs, pinkies, thumbs, pinkies, and then the right hand, thumb, pinky. Travel up again, we're on G and E. You're gonna play your pinkies together, skip in the left hand to third finger, and step every single note. And then you go back to the original position and play the first pattern again. Step back up, same pattern again. Step up again, first bar of the pattern. Pinkies, thumbs, third fingers, thumbs, pinky, up again, third fingers, thumbs, pinkies, up again, and the chord. Down, 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 pinkies and thumbs, shift, pinkies and thumbs, shift, pinkies and thumbs, and shift. And then the right hand skips up. Okay, so there you have it. You can follow that along. You also have the video that shows how the song is played exactly. You can watch that video separately. So there you have it, a little tutorial on Tropical Fish.